Hey guys, so this video is all about what we are going to be building in this course. So just so you know, I'm not running any web servers or anything in the background. This is for running my audio setup, which I'm running through a terminal since I don't have a desktop shortcut. And this is my screen recorder, which is currently recording now. So what we are going to be writing in this course is a desktop application which I have installed in this system. So I'll just go here, and this is the application that we are going to be writing. So wow, the app loaded fine, right? Now I'll just create a new user, one new user. Let's just name him Tom. Okay, and I'll sign up. Okay, this is the interface. This is a completely a desktop application, guys. You can simply drag it around just like you do with your desktop. You double click to maximize it and double click to restore it, obviously. Anyway, this is the interface that will be shown up when you first log in. You can see that it contains a list of several panels, right? The profile panel obviously contains your profile. You can change your nickname, or you could change this profile picture as well. That's a simple thing. This add friends panel is the one in which you could add friends to chat with, guys. So these are guys registered in our system. This has an excellent instant search as well. For example, Mike is not shown, right? But if I just type Mike, it'll automatically search, and then it's a pretty cool instant search feature we have. So what I'll do is I'll just add a friend so that you can see what happens. So I'm clicking on this add friend. It shows requested, right? So a friend request has been sent to Rob. That's what I'm trying to say here. So let's just log in with Rob and see and proceed from there. Okay, I'll just log out and then I'll log in again with Rob. Wow, Rob seems to have a lot of friends. Anyway, you can see the request here, right? My requests and a request sent by Tom is present. One is this is for ignoring the request, and this is for accepting the request, obviously. I'll just accept the request for now. Once I accepted the request, Tom automatically got added to my friends list here, right? So what I can do here is I can simply click. These three panels are for as they say here, if you just click on a user, the details pertaining to that user will get shown here. Since there was no existing conversation, it just says no existing conversation exists between you two, and there is a small button for refreshing the feed. So I'll just start this. So I'll say hello Tom, and if I just send a message, wow, it got sent, right? And a small small notification here also appears saying that 9 seconds ago. Yeah, so whatever messages, now you can simply chat with Tom just like you would do in the messenger application. Okay, so this is how you do a one-to-one chat, guys. And also we have a couple of options here as well. One is for calling and the other one is for closing the chat. The next thing I want to say is this notifications, guys. The notifications, if I am like chatting with Vincent, okay, all the messages pertaining to Vincent. Obviously you could send images as well. Images will be shown as small previews here like this. And it also has a ton of other, this chat feed has a ton of other cool features like infinite scroll, for instance. There are only 10 messages getting displayed, right? But when I try to scroll up, 10 more messages get displayed, and so on and so on. Okay, and if I send a new message, obviously it will automatically scroll down to the bottom as well. So yeah, guys, there are a lot of such features that you would obviously see in any messenger application. This notifications is for if Tom sends a message to me now. Okay, assume that Tom is sending a message to me now, but I am chatting with Vincent, right? In this case, that message will be pushed on as a notification here, and when I click on Tom, automatically that notification will get dismissed since I am obviously chatting with Tom. That is, Tom is the current chat user, right? Okay, this is the one-to-one chatting that we have engineered so far in this application. Now I will simply close this chat. And these are the groups, guys. These are the groups that I created, that is Rob created. Okay, so if I click on create group, I have a ton of features here, right? I can add a friend here, or I can kick out. If I just click on add a friend, I'll get a list of all my friends. Only the people who are my friends, who are on my friends list, I can add to the group, guys. I can't simply add a random user from the system into my groups. So I'll just add Tom for now, member of this group. Automatically it changed, right? And the add button also disappeared. Similarly, I can kick out a member. I can't kick out this guy because he is the owner of the group. I can change the picture of this group, and this is for group info. Okay, it will just show who is the owner of the group and who are all the members of this group and so on. There are a ton of this is a list of simple menus, guys. And this chat feed will function the same way as this one-to-one chat feed functions. It also has all those infinite scrolls, and you could send picture images, picture messages, and all that as well. So if I'm clicking on Vincent's gang, Vince gang, this was a group created by Vincent, right? So there are no messages in this group, obviously. But if you notice, all the options that were available while I clicked on Great Group now vanished. Great Group, I got all these options since I was the owner of this group. Whereas in Vince gang, I can simply view the info. Okay, if I just click on info, it says Vincent is the owner and I am a member of this group, right? So that's the groups, guys. You could obviously create a new group as well, and this is for refreshing the group list in case someone else added you to a group and that group didn't get loaded here. You could simply refresh the list so that you could see that group as well. And request panel, we already saw. Notifications, you will receive notifications whenever someone else wants to chat with you. Once you click on that person's name here, the notification will automatically get dismissed, guys. So a complete desktop messenger application written entirely with Angular 5, Firestore, RxJS, Material 2. This entire design framework is Material 2, obviously. And this is bundled to run inside Electron as a desktop application. This is what we'll be building in this entire course, guys. I'll be taking you through each and every panel here is a separate component, guys. Okay, I have written them all separately and then they are all combined to run together so that it's less of a headache as we scale up, right? So I'll be taking you through developing each and every panel. We'll be writing each and every line of code throughout this course. There are like 50 plus videos in this course entirely. So grab a coffee, you'll need a lot of patience for building such an application. We'll be going through all the engineering part of this application. One or two things again I wanted to mention here. That is, one is I'll just log out here. This Twitter logging in with social authentication, this won't be part of this course, guys. What I'll do is okay, first I'll say what else is not part of this course and then say what I'll do instead of that. So let's just log in into that new guy that we just created. What was his name? One new user, right? This is Tom, right? The person whom we just added to a group, and he has one friend now who's Rob. Rob, I sent you a message, obviously, notification. I'm just clicking on Rob, notifications automatically got dismissed. Cool, right? So this is what I have been repeatedly trying to say, guys. Whatever message I send will be right aligned with this pale blue color. Whatever message I receive will be left aligned with this white color as well. These are all common features in the messenger application. The one other thing I wanted to say is this calling feature won't be included. This is completely, we are going to be writing with WebRTC and Firebase alone, no peer-to-peer libraries. This won't be included as part of this course, guys. And as well, the social authentication won't be included as part of this course as well. What I'll do instead of that is I'll add these two as standalone videos on my YouTube channel. Okay. The reason is that I thought it would be rather helpful to everyone, and I also wanted to put in a couple of promos for this particular course. So I thought I'll add these two functionalities in the YouTube channel. Those two videos will be up on my YouTube channel. The rest of the stuff shown here will all be present in this course. There are, as I said, 50 plus videos showing each and every step of this course, not this course, each and every step of building this application. So guys, this is what you will be building. This is what we will be building in this course. You will need a lot of imagination. You will be seeing how to solve problems. You will be seeing how to implement Angular to write code for all of this. And yeah, we'll be focusing on the engineering aspect of this application, guys. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching.